Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the first white box technique that we have, which is statement coverage. Like its name states, statement coverage tries to cover the statements in our code. So what are the statements first? The statement is any line of code. The line of code that we have is called a statement. Our goal in statement coverage is to cover all the statements inside our code. If we cover all the statements by test cases, this is called 100% statement coverage. Okay, so is this a good technique or a bad technique? Okay, if you are going to perform testing in an easy way and a fast way, this is a good technique. But honestly, this is not the best technique that you are going to use on your code. And that will be explained when we talk about other techniques. When you know about decision coverage, path coverage, you will explain or you will understand that statement coverage is not a very effective technique. But first, we must understand it and then go to more advanced techniques. Okay, so how can we calculate the statement coverage inside our code? Okay, we have code, we have some test cases, and we need to know the percentage of statement coverage. Like we said, if we cover all the statements, this is called 100% statement coverage. But what if we didn't achieve 100% statement coverage? What is the percentage of statement coverage? In this case, we have a formula. We begin to divide the number of statements tested divided by total number of statements in our code. So for example, if my code contains 4 statements and my test case passes through the first 2 statements, this is called 50% statement coverage. Okay, if it passes through 3, this is 75, 3 divided by 4. If it passes through the 4, this is called 100 statement coverage. Okay, so let's have a very simple example. This is a very simple example that doesn't happen in real life situations. In next videos, we will begin to solve more advanced examples. Here it says, if x is greater than 7, print hello. So how do we achieve 100% statement coverage on this code? What are the inputs that we must provide so that we get 100% statement coverage? Okay, our goal here is to provide 100% statement coverage with the least number of test cases. Okay, 1 or 2 or 3, the least number that can be achieved. So let's think of a number that will achieve 100% statement coverage. We might say x equals to 8. Let's trace our code. Is 8 greater than 7? Here x is equals to 8. Yes. So I ask the question and the answer is yes, so I will print hello. So this is 100% statement coverage. Okay, let's think about another test case. If x, for example, equals to 5. So here 5. Is 5 greater than 7? No. So he will pass through this line of code, but he will not print hello. Okay, so here he passed through 1 out of 2, which is 50% statement coverage. This is the difference. And of course, it is better to achieve 100% statement coverage. This is another example. If x equals 3, print hey, else print never mind. So here, if we go x equals to 3, is x equals to 3, yes, I will print hey. Here, one test case will not achieve 100% statement coverage ever. Why? Because this is my question and it has 2 paths. X equals 3 and x does not equal to 3. Okay, so I must have at least 2 test cases. Okay, I can't achieve 100% statement coverage here with 1 test case. It must be 2. So here I will say x equals to 5. Is 5 equals to 3? No. So he will go to the else and print never mind. So these 2 test cases achieved 100% statement coverage. And this gives us a rule, okay? If your code contains else, any code, if it contains else inside it, you can't achieve 100% statement coverage with 1 test case. You can achieve it by 2, 3, or more, like we will see inside next examples. Thank you and see you in the next video.